Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Celebrity. Welcome to my channel where I upload accounting tutorials weekly. Our today's topic is how to calculate budgeted number of units to be sold. Okay, so this is a very common question in cost accounting. So I see many students do not know how to calculate this. So today I'll show you how easily you can figure out. So let's get started. Okay, here look at the board. We have the question. What is written here? The following budgeted data is available for the year ending 31st December 2018. Okay, so here we have selling price per unit, we have direct materials, direct labors, direct expenses. Okay, then we also have here break-even point units. That means we have to calculate the budgeted number of units to be sold for this 16,000 units. Okay, then what we have here is written budgeted profit for the year ending 31st December 2018 is $75,000. Okay, so from this information we have here requirement to calculate the number of units to be sold for the year ending 31st December 2018. Okay, now how to calculate, what to do first of all. So we know selling price equal to fixed cost plus the profit. Okay, so we have here profit for the year, we have to extract fixed cost. Okay, then we will be able to calculate our selling price. Let us write here selling price equal to fixed cost plus profit. Yeah, so it is budgeted profit or profit, whatever you write. So let us write here budgeted profit. Okay, so we can see here we have budgeted profit which is $75,000. So let us write here $75,000. Okay, now we need fixed cost. So how to figure out fixed cost? So look at here in this question. Calculate the budgeted fixed cost for the year ending 31st December. So already we calculated budgeted fixed cost in our previous video. If you did not watch that video, I'll link to that to the I button. You can watch it. Then you come back to this lesson. Otherwise you will not understand many things. Okay, so here if we have fixed cost, if we have budgeted profit, then we can calculate the number of units to be sold. So here in the previous lesson I showed that the budgeted fixed cost was $60,000. Today I'm not going to talk about fixed cost, how to calculate fixed cost. Okay, so please watch that video first of all. So now if we add these two values, what we get? So if we calculate, we get $135,000 after the addition. So now we got the selling price for this 16,000 units. Okay, now we have to extract how many units we can sell. Okay, the number of units to be sold. So here we can write the number of units to be sold equal to of units to be sold. Okay, so here we will divide this selling price by the break-even point units. Okay, so let us write here selling price divided by units. Okay, so we are doing everything for this 16,000 units. So first of all we calculated the fixed cost for this 16,000 units. Now we are calculating the number of units to be sold for this 16,000 break-even units. Okay, so what is our selling price? We calculated selling price is here $135,000. Okay, break-even unit is here 16,000. So let us write here 16,000. Okay, so how many units can be sold? So if we divide this $135,000 by 16,000 units, we get 36,000 units can be sold. So this is very simple calculation, but you have to know the system, the procedures. Okay, so you have to know how to calculate the selling price first. You have to know how to calculate the budgeted fixed cost. So you need budgeted fixed cost, then you need profit. So budgeted profit will be given in the question. So you need to calculate this, and just you have to add these two values, and then divide. You have to divide by break-even unit. Okay, then you can calculate your number of units to be sold. So this is a quick lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you understood. Next time I will show you some more questions, this type of questions. You check out my channel. There are so many other videos, and let me know what you want to see in my next video. So this is all. Please consider subscribing for more new videos and share this lesson with your friends. I'll see you soon with new video. You stay safe. Bye bye and take care.